Hare Krishna everyone. So this tutorial video is going to be about application of Tihai. Okay. So so starting with the slow Tihai. Okay. So in the slow beat we have learned one tal which is called as Das Bahira tal. Okay, or we call it 16 beat. So for this one Tihai is applied, that also I will show you today, and then next we will learn the Tihai for the medium fast and then Tihai for the fast. So basically transition mantra. So now before learning Tihai, I want to tell all of you one thing, that Tihais are generally used to beautify the kirtan or to increase the madhurta in the kirtan, but these are not compulsory. For example, if you are playing normal tal like Das Paira tal or fast beat or anything in any kirtan and continue playing it, like if you don't stop for the tihai or the transition, it will work. The kirtan will not break and nobody will even come to know, like it will properly match if you don't even add tihai. But tihais are added to enhance the beauty of the kirtan or madhurta of the kirtan. Okay. So today we will learn the slow beat, okay, tihai or tihai for the slow beat, which is Das Paira tal. So before learning tihai, I want to request you, please practice Das Pahira tal nicely, so that while applying the tihai, it is very easy for us. Okay. So what is the tihai for the Das Pahira tal or the slow beat? Already we have learned this in the hand practice mantra. Te Re Khe Ta. Only extra matra is added, that is Jha. Te Re Khe Ta Jha. And as these are tihai, these are played 3 times. Tihai, ti means 3, so these are played 3 times. Tere keta jha, tere keta jha, tere keta jha. Okay. And one more extra thing is there which we have to play before applying tihai. Okay, that I will show you. Okay. So te, what is te? Te is 4 finger close. Re is 1 finger out. So te re, te re, te re, te re, te re, te re, te re. Then khe is big side close. Khe, khe, khe. Ta is 4 finger out. So te re khe ta, te re khe ta, te re khe ta, te re khe ta, te re. So because tihais are like, we get a very small amount of time to add tihai, so that's why it has to be played very fast. But again I request, for practicing you have to practice it slowly only, then you improve your speed with by keeping the accuracy as it is intact. Not that I am playing fast, so I can play wrong also some matra. No, by keeping the accuracy intact, you practice this tihai. Okay. And as I told, the jha is 4 finger out plus big side open. Jha, jha. So te re khe ta jha, 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 te re khe ta jha. I will show you small side. Te re khe ta jha, 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 te re khe ta jha. Okay. So before starting tihai, we add 2 extra matras for the slow beat specifically. Those are jha jha, same jha which we learned. So jha jha, okay, 4 finger out, big side. Jha jha, tere khe ta jha, tere khe ta jha, tere khe ta jha. Jha jha, tere khe ta jha, tere khe ta jha, tere khe ta jha. Got it? So jha jha, tere khe ta jha, tere khe ta jha, tere khe ta jha. Now, okay, this you practice first nicely, playing this jha jha, tere khe ta jha, tere khe ta jha, tere khe ta jha, as faster as possible. Okay. Now where to apply this, where to add, like when the kirtan is going on, where exactly we put this tihai? So ideally, if you see das pahira tal, okay, khik khine da ge da dhin ta tere ta. So ideally it is said ge da, either at the geda and then jha jha tere khe ta jha tere khe ta jha tere khe ta jha, or either we can complete the full matra khik khine da ge da dhin ta tere ta jha jha tere khe ta jha tere khe ta jha tere khe ta jha. Okay, but generally what I see, because we may not ideally get that at the same point, okay, but I will tell you one simple formula. Okay, follow the kartal player. Okay, you see where the kartal player is playing the tihai, where kartal player is playing, you play your mridanga like that. Okay, so you pay attention to kartal, and I would request, if you are not learning kartal, you try to learn kartal as well. That will help you a lot. So to play tihai, you pay the attention to kartal. Okay, so it can end anywhere in the das piratal, not that geda anywhere, doesn't matter. Wherever kartal player start, you start. Okay, but after playing the tihai, tere kheta jha tere kheta jha tere kheta jha, after that how to again pick up the mantra, then dhin ta dhin ta dhin ta tere ta ki kine da ge da, like this. Understood? So this is some theory aspect. Let's try to apply this in our mangalarti tune of Hare Krishna. Okay, so again one more thing I forgot to tell. So tihai can be applied at two places or two ways. One is when the lead singer sings the mantra and then the follower has to recite or repeat, between that also we can play, or the lead singer recite, then the follower also recite, and after the followers complete, then it is played. Okay, anyways, fine, you follow the kartal player.